Workshop 1, themed, Do You Have the Right Product and Tools? Empowered participants with key skills for effective product development. The workshop covered the software development lifecycle, agile methodologies, and Scrum principles. Attendees learned about the pivotal role of the product owner, gained strategies for attracting and retaining tech talent, and explored essential tools for tech success. The session wrapped up with a critical focus on cybersecurity, underscoring the importance of safeguarding digital products and data.
If you are to implement Agile as it is, I said earlier, implementing waterfall is easier actually, but implementing Agile the way it is, it can be very chaotic.
It has to be strategic because that will largely depend on how the life cycle is going, in what particular point in time of that life cycle you're planning to inject them, get that knowledge, get them to the team. And remember, this has to be the analysis and the designing phase of whatever point of agilic means you are.
Which is customer collaboration. We try to look at all of them and we see they're all important, but there's this customer collaboration needs to be one of the key issue before anything else or over the contract, because when you understand your customer requirements and your customer needs, it's much easier for you to focus on the product that you are going to develop.
The product owner ni mtu kwenye organization ambaye kazi yake kubwa ni kumaximize the value au tuseme basi the return on investment, sawa, from the development team. The development team kazi yake ni kudevelop, si ndio? Kutengeneza solution, sawa. Product owner kazi yake ni kumake sure kwamba we are getting the best value possible from nini? From the development team.
Sometimes programmers, they need to experience the feelings of customers that they have. Yes, so that is one of the techniques that we are using at Linda Pesa.
So as a product owner, their job is to say, we are going to do this first. Number 5 will come here. That is ordering the product backlog to best achieve the goal and mission. That's what we're talking about, maximizing the value of investment. If your team can work only on 3 items from here, you need your best item that you need to be on top of this stack.
You sit together, work on the same feature. So you work on it until it's done, and then you go your separate ways. So I think the difference with that is that you'll be working on the same feature, but it's kind of extreme because instead of one person working on it, then it's 2 people working on the same thing to make sure it's of quality and done right.
Yeah.
And then later,
touch your neck, touch your chin. Tell your neighbor that's not your chin.